Good morning, babies. Wow. There is clearly a lot happening today, but first I need to do a quick glam. And glam done, and I have two little monsters over here. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Did you all have a fun sleepover?
Yes.
Yes. This little monster has stayed with me for what, 3 nights now? Romaisa? This entire week you stayed with me, and what did you say? You're never going home. You never want to go home?
No.
You want to stay with Popo only?
Yeah.
Yay! So I have a new baby who's gonna live with me permanently in the house, and that's Aisha, who is actually my cousin, but she's Rayan's age, so basically she's like their cousin. Say hi, Aisha.
Hi.
And Rayu is over here. Rayu Bayu, are you having fun sleeping over at Pupu's house? Romaisa has decided she's never going home, huh? Yeah, 400 days, 500 years, numbers being tossed around like nobody's business.
Nibbles.
Hear you. What did you say?
You look so pretty.
I look pretty? So you want to eat me up? Okay, breather. There's a lot of noise all over the house since the past few days, and I think I should update you on what exactly is going on. So the last day vlog you saw, I told you that the kids are coming over to stay, and they basically have really enjoyed being over here. So they've been here about 4 days, 3 nights this entire week, and clearly they don't want to go anywhere. And I don't mind at all because I love them and have such a great time with them. I've barely worked this entire week. Literally, Romaisa, baby, you're gonna hurt me.
Look at the post.
You close the door and give me 2 minutes to do this. Thank you. I've been struggling to vlog. I thought at some point I would start a different vlog about living with the kids, but to be honest, I've had my hands full. All of this while still taking one to shoot here and there when Jerry handles the babies in the afternoon or the evenings. I had to take one full shoot day for like work, like heavy duty work stuff yesterday, so I sent them back to my mom's and they came back yesterday again in the night. So it's like I have my hands full, but I'm also loving it because like they're so adorable. How can you like not love babies? I love these babies, and they're my babies. Romaisa has been calling me mama for the past 3 days, which is adorable. But yeah, that's basically what's been happening. Today I have a lunch to get to. I had to do something that always breaks my heart to do. I had to go wake up Jerry because it's 12 and we have a reservation for 12:30. I've planned 2 dates for him and me today, just because this entire week we've barely seen each other. He's been sleeping in the office with Rayan. I've been sleeping with Romaisa in the bedroom. We've had no time. I thought it's only fair that I take some time out, try to find the balance. And so him and I are going to be going out for both lunch as well as dinner. Just one of those Fridays, I guess. But what I'm really looking forward to is something so special to me in the evening. I will tell you guys about it when it's happening, just before it starts to happen. But I'm so excited for this because this is a huge highlight for me in my life, and the fact that I'm getting the honor to do this the second time is a lot for me. So I'll update you guys about that as we go along with the day, 100%. For now, I need to make sure the kids get ready to get dropped off to Mama's house. Jerry gets ready to be taken to lunch with me. I'm in full mom mode, and I will see you guys in a bit. So we just dropped the babies home, rather reluctantly, but we wish we could spend more time with them today. We'll probably pick them up later today or tomorrow, let's see. Ryan and Romaisa want to move in with us only. So as and when we can take them, I think we will definitely take them. Jerry, you were asking me something this time.
Yeah, so I want to know where we are going.
Where we're going for lunch?
Yeah.
We're going to a nice place for lunch. Should I just tell you? We're going to Bastion for lunch.
Oh, Bastion. Which Bastion?
The Bandra one. You and I have talked about going there recently, and twice I think our plans have gotten cancelled.
Yeah.
So I was like, all right, today we need to make this happen. And you and I have barely spent any time together this week since coming back from Goa because we've had babies all over us. So I thought this would be a nice little date day where you and I go out for lunch in the afternoon.
Yay.
And then
Friday afternoon dates.
And Friday night date also.
Friday night.
I told you we're going out in the night also, remember?
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't replace one with the other. I added one.
Oh.
Oh. Chill nicely.
So it's a good Friday.
It's a good Friday. Okay, I came back home about an hour and a half ago. I sat and finished 2 to 3 scheduled work calls that I had. I've been working on emails right now. My phone is literally resting on my laptop. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror reflection over here. What I'm about to do this evening, literally now in the next half an hour, I'm about to tune in, is one of the things I was telling you about at the start of the day. And I have to tell you this because to me, this will always be a pinch me moment. When I was in school, in my 10th standard, I won my very first beauty pageant. So I'm from Bayawabai Framji Pettit Girls High School, which is at Pali Hill in Bandra here in Mumbai. And every year at farewell, all the 10th standard, like the girls who are passing out, compete for like the Miss Pettit pageant. There are always different title names given, but essentially it's Miss Pettit. And I won my Miss Pettit back in 2007 when I graduated from school, like in the 10th standard. Since then, I once got called back about 4 years ago, I want to say, to be a judge for that very, very same event, like a chief guest and judge. And my class teacher of grade 9 and 10 called me up about a month ago and said that, hey, guess what? We want you back. And I'm always so honored to be able to be there for my alma mater. I have always said that I loved my school. I credit my school a lot for the journey that I'm on. I've had amazing teachers like Mrs. Bhaba, Mrs. Salian, Mrs. Dikshit, Mrs. Ochani, if you're watching this, because I know that some of them do tend to watch my videos sometimes. I have so much love and gratitude in my heart for them, because I feel like so much of who we are is taught to us at a very young age. And I had some of the most amazing women in my life be part of my journey and help groom me. So the fact that I can give back in any small form by spending a couple of hours being the chief guest and judge for the same pageant for these girls here again today makes me really happy, honestly. And of course it's virtual. I'm logging on online. I wish I could be there for the girls in person like I was there for the previous batch a few years ago, but we're gonna do this. I'm sitting in my office. I have my akhrots over here because mummy has instructed me to keep eating these every single day. So I'm eating a bowl of akhrots. What do you call akhrots in English? Walnuts? I'm so bad at this random conversion. Akhrots, walnuts, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna eat I'm asking myself and I'm answering also myself. I'm sitting and like eating these. Just finished a bunch of my calls. I'm gonna tune in now in the next 5-10 minutes. I have my water next to me. You guys know I never do anything without my pani ka bottle. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I've been looking forward to this. So yeah, here's hoping this 10th standard batch that's now graduating goes on to do some amazing things. I'm gonna have some pani and start. Gonna tune in. I can't show you guys glimpses of the pageant, of the event, because these girls are obviously under 18 and I would not want to show them talking or dancing or their talent rounds without their consent or without their parents' consents.
2 hours later.
I just got done with judging the event. It was so nice and I feel so nostalgic for all the experiences I've had, and I'm so hopeful for all of the experiences that these girls are about to go have in their lives. They're just getting done with school. It's 6:30 p.m. I now need to sit down and do a bunch of calls and virtual meetings till I have my second date with Jerry tonight, 8:30 at 8 or 8:30. I need to check that. But for now I need to get back to work. Hi Boo.
Hello.
2 dates in one day. You happy?
Very happy.
I promised you lots of outings in 2021. I love spending time with you.
So do I.
Even if you're on your phone most of the time.
Excuse me.
It's true.
Yes.
Hi. Waiting for the lift.
We find out someone's family. Hi. Where are we?
Men's chair.
Interesting. So I've got something to tell you. There's Anam in front of me, and there's Anam behind me. So are you a little monkey?
I'm your monkey.
You're my monkey. Okay.
Jerry and I do this really stupid kind of cute thing where we match our footsteps while going down flights of stairs. It's just something we've been doing for years at this point. Our old house didn't have a lift, the rental that we used to live in, and I think we kind of developed it there at some point. Anyway, after this dinner, I headed over to a friend's place to play some Monodeal while Jerry went home to sleep. It is the 6th of March afternoon, the next day. I slept super late last night, got back home from playing Monodeal at like 3 a.m, 2:33 a.m. I think. Slept in. I have a slight cold today, so I'm going to keep this outro short. The Wear Fam comment shout out for the day goes to Sonali Dongre. Thank you so much for always talking to me, you guys. I know you know this, but I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to all of your comments down below. So keep that conversation going. Thank you for being so amazing. I will see you in the next one. Bye.